Okay, to go through the units on K one more time since the video got cut off, I'm going to redo the example that was in the original teaching of it, and I'll show you 2 more examples and help you draw a pattern as well. So the example that was in the first video, this was our rate law. I plug units in. The units for rate, I'm always going to plug in molarity per second. I'm never going to plug anything in for K because that's what I'm solving for. Anytime I see brackets, I plug in an M, and I listen to my rate law. It says cube it, so I cube it. Now, if I want K, that's what I'm solving for. I want K by itself. If this were just a number, if M cubed were a number, I would divide by that number. So I'm going to divide by M cubed to get rid of it. If I divide it on one side, I have to also divide it on the other. Since I'm dividing, that means it ends up in the denominator. So I know that K is M over M cubed S or SM cubed. It doesn't matter. The order of those two doesn't matter. This M means I have 1 M on top there, and I have 3 on bottom. Simplifying 1 on top, 3 on bottom, really I can just end up with 2 on the bottom and get rid of that 1. 1 over SM squared. Those would be my units for K. Different rate law, another example. For rate, I plug in M over S. I'm solving for K, so I don't plug anything in for that. Brackets mean molarity to the first power. Brackets mean molarity to the second power. M to the first times M to the second. When we're multiplying and there are exponents, the exponents get added. So that's M cubed. Again, solving for K, you actually can see it's going to look just like this one. We're getting rid of the M cubed, so it ends up in the denominator. We have M over M cubed S are our units for K, or 1 over M squared S. We ended up with the same units. Again, SM squared or M squared S doesn't matter. Same units because this was a third order reaction overall, and this was a third order reaction overall. For a 5th order reaction overall, stop for a second, think, can you guess what the units are going to be? If you can, great, you see the pattern. If not, you can solve for it. For rate, plug in M over S. For brackets, plug in an M squared. For brackets, plug in an M, then it says cubed. So simplifying just the right side for now, M squared times M cubed. Add our exponents. I want to get rid of the M to the 5th, so I divide by M to the 5th. M to the 5th. I have M over M to the 5th S. 1 on top, 5 on bottom. We can simplify 1 over M to the 4th S. So third over overall, we had M squared. Third over overall, M squared. 5th order overall, M to the 4th. That pattern holds true. If you want to remember the pattern that it's 1 fewer on the bottom for the number of M's than overall, that works. Or you can solve for it every time.